Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take this backhoe off the Kioti tractor. It sounds like this is the same process with all the Kioti, and me and Weenie, we have not done this before, so this will be the first time. We just now hit 46 hours on this tractor, and now I want to do some grading, so I bought a box blade, and now I'm going to have to take this backhoe off to put that on there. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Let's see how hard it is. It really sounds really easy. I'll go ahead and show you guys here. Down here, this frame slides up into this like C, and then these two pins hold it in place. So to remove it, you're gonna pull these two pins right here. There's one here and one there. Both of those are gonna be pulled, and then once you drive forward, that is all gonna slide out of that frame mount right there. And then you have these two little frame pieces going all the way up to the front up here, and it's the same kind of setup up here. It's just like a little frame here with a C, and then this part slides up in there and holds it in place, and it can't move because those pins in the back keep it in place. So as it's coming off, I'll try to show you guys that. I'm going to put a GoPro down here and let you guys see it come off, hopefully. And then once you get it out, you just unhook those two hoses and drive off. But first you also need to put the backhoe down and put your little stabilizing arms down, and that's going to work as a tripod, and that's going to hold your frame in place so you can drive off. So that'll be kind of floating in the air by the weight of this backhoe. It's the way it sounds. So again, I haven't done this, so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys the first time I'm doing it, and that's pretty much how simple it is. So once I pull away, then I'll unhook the hoses, because then I can still make any adjustments here to move the frame. And everyone talks about that over time, if you let it set, that the arms do go down. So what I'm going to be doing when I hook it back up is I'll be moving the tractor in place. I'll be hooking up the lines to give me power to the backhoe, and then I can make adjustments with it not attached to the tractor. So let's say this actually goes down and sets on the ground because the hydraulic pumps, the fluid went out of them. So then you can actually raise that back up and get it in place and drive the tractor back where it needs to be. So let's see how good we are. Weenie's over there hunting on those woods. I think it was 2 days ago he found some mice down here. I got some crap over on the other side of this building, and yep, he killed some rats for us. He's a good hunting dog. If you're super new to tractors, this is right now I can run the backhoe. Before I unhook the backhoe, I'm going to be also putting it in neutral. For me to put the backhoe down, I'll have to have power to it to get it in place. And then before I unhook those hydraulic hoses, I'll be putting it in neutral to kill the power to it. All right, guys, it's completely off. And that total time on that, with me talking and never doing it before, I just hit 6 minutes. So definitely without talking and saying anything, I could probably get down to 3 minutes. What do you think, Weenie? But yeah, that's what it looks like. And again, over time, I believe that it's going to be correct, that those arms are going to set it down on the ground. So to get that hooked back up, you're going to have to hook it back up to the tractor. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. I don't know if I'll put it in this video or make it a separate video, but that's what it looks like being removed. And right now, if you didn't want to hook it up and you're storing your backhoe in a garage, you could definitely pull up over that and have it where it's underneath your tractor to save space. So for example, if this was where it was going to be housed at, this was how I'd be parking it. I just pull it up over the frame and park it like that if I was not using the backhoe. But just in case you guys didn't see what I was doing with those, these pins go straight down in there, and then that pin goes on the bottom to hold it in. So you can see that it just slides right up in there for the back. And then I'll get around to the front, guys, and let you guys check that out. Just to make you guys comfortable on doing that, but it just slides up into that little groove. All right, guys, see you guys later. Hopefully this helps. I also wanted to show you guys real quick how my garage setup is right now for my tractor and my dump trailer. I'm going to be keeping them both inside the garage. Right now I have the tractor in over here, but in the future I still want it here, but I want to clean this all up. I want to put shelves on the back wall. I don't know if I'll continue to buy those and have them run all the way across there, or if I'll go ahead and make a wooden one like I did for my wood supplies. But once I get that all cleaned up, I can start storing this stuff here, and also when I'm not using this backhoe, I can go ahead and unhook it there and would still be able to park my tractor in here without having to hook it back up all the time if I'm not using it. So that's my goal in the future, is to get shelving all the way along that back wall, and then I could organize and sort some of this stuff out and get it hidden, and then I can move stuff in here. This has turned into like a dump area just because I don't have a place to put it, and I kind of want to get that cleaned out. But then I think it'd be a great spot then for me to have plenty of room to get in here and even unhook that here and keep this for my tractor area, because the bay I'm going to be taking this off in is actually my work bay, so I don't want stuff to be piling up in that area. This is more of a storage part. The other area is when I have stuff break, I need to get it in there and have it close to my tools and work on it. But for today, I'm going to be unhooking the backhoe there.